Flags blanket the National Mall in Washington today, honoring the 200,000 Americans killed by the coronavirus. The U.S. is likely to hit that grim milestone today. Laura Podesta reports.
Each one of the 20,000 flags near the Washington Monument represents 10 Americans whose deaths are linked to COVID-19. This morning, there was an interfaith memorial service to mourn the lives lost.
It's almost incomprehensible, the level of anguish. To me, it is also incomprehensible that we have no national plan, no national help for our people.
Dozens of volunteers with the COVID-19 Memorial Project placed these flags one by one last night and this morning. They'll remain here until tomorrow night.
Maybe someday we should even have a permanent memorial for the people who lost their lives to COVID.
Nationwide, the average rate of new coronavirus cases has increased to roughly 40,000 per day. Ricardo Aguirre from Phoenix survived his infection, but lost 9 members of his family.
All I know is that my mother's the one that started having the symptoms first. And from there, it was my dad, myself, my wife, my 2 kids, and then my brother.
On Friday, the CDC published a change on its website, announcing that in addition to the virus spreading through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person sneezes or coughs, another way the virus can spread is through aerosols, tiny particles from breathing and talking that can linger in the air longer. But Monday, the federal agency removed the change, saying it was posted by mistake.
I think that there needs to be a conversation whenever there's a change. Explain it in detail, because there are a lot of policy implications for changing that guidance.
Dr. David Agus says the guidance put out Friday could have led to requirements for better ventilation systems in hospitals, schools, restaurants, and all indoor spaces. Laura Podesta, CBS News, Washington.
Dr. Agus also says masks are the best line of defense for both droplets and aerosols. In an email to CBS News, a CDC spokesperson says aerosol transmission is possible, but not the main way that the coronavirus spreads.